Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by locating the error line and the object that triggered it. Once located, print type obj and dir, obj, so you can see what attributes actually exist versus what you expect. If you find obj is none or an unexpected primitive, stop and trace the assignment origin. Make sure to check how the object is created or returned. That explains why the attribute is missing and points to the first concrete fix. Next, correct how the object is built or imported so the attribute exists. For example, instantiate the correct class or call the factory that attaches the method. Once done, you avoid attribute mismatch. Also verify imports and variable names to prevent module shadowing. If dynamic sources vary, use hasheader or isinstance checks to handle optional attributes gracefully. Make sure to write a small unit snippet. Finally, refactor to make expectations explicit. Use data classes, interfaces, or clear return types so you and future readers know what attributes should exist. Then add unit tests that assert attribute presence and core behavior. Once done, automated tests will catch regressions. If the error persists, log repr obj and type obj at the failure point and trace the data flow back through earlier functions to find where the wrong value was introduced. That logged context is the fastest troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.